hour when water has no speed. In a well, the speed of the man is 4 kilometers per hour. In small ponds, the speed of the man will be 4 kilometers per hour. Suppose if you throw this man into a sea where water has speed, his speed depends upon the speed of the water. So, water is traveling with a speed of 2 kilometers, flowing with a speed of 2 kilometers per hour, and man is swimming in the same direction with a speed of 4 kilometers per hour. If both the directions are same, then we say this speed downstream. We say it as speed downstream. In problems, he will not mention like this. The speed downstream is 4 kilometers per hour. Means speed of the boat plus speed of the stream is 4 kilometers per hour. So speed downstream is equal to speed of the man. Speed of the man or boat plus speed of the stream or velocity of the stream or current of the stream, whatever it may be, speed of the stream. That is, speed of the man is 4 kilometers per hour, this is 2 kilometers, so 6 kilometers per hour is the speed that works out. Right? Suppose water is flowing with a speed of 2 kilometers per hour and a man is swimming against the flow of water. Against the flow of water with a speed of 4 kilometers per hour. This is called as speed upstream. Speed upstream. Speed upstream is equal to speed of the man or boat minus speed of the stream. That is 4 minus 2, that is 2 kilometers per hour. And remember one point always, that the speed of the man or speed of the boat should be taken first. Here in plus, in addition, you can take either way. You won't get any difference in the answers. But in minus, if you reverse this, the values may differ. So, first speed of the man or boat has to be considered. So, this is about speeds. And you observe, in trains, relative speed means in the same direction we have gone for subtraction. And in boats and streams, same direction means we have gone for addition. Why this change means, here man and water are, they depend on one another. The speed of the man depends upon the speed of the water here. Here, both the trains are traveling independently, not a train dragging the other train, isn't it? So that is the reason why we get the difference. So distance means whatever may be the distance and whatever may be the direction, addition. Speeds in trains we take like that. Speeds in boats and streams we take like this. And time means we have only one time, calculating the time. So time we don't have any separate calculation like this. But whatever may be the concept is when the distance is constant, speed and time are inversely proportional. That point you must always remember. When the distance is constant, speed and time are inversely proportional. And in the exam also, campus recruitment, distance is constant, concept is important. On this concept, the problems will be given, right? Write down one problem. Walking at walking at 4 by 5 of his usual speed. Walking at 4 by 5 of his usual speed. A man is 10 minutes late. A man is 10 minutes late to reach his destination. His usual time. Read the problem once. He has neither mentioned the speed nor the time and not even the distance. What is it? Walking at 4 by 5 of his usual speed, a man is 10 minutes late. We will assume that a man is traveling a fixed distance every day. This is a regular question. A man is traveling a fixed distance every day. Say for example, he is traveling with 1 unit speed every day and reaching the destination in 1 unit time. One day what happened? Walking at 4 by 5 of his usual speed. 4 by 5 of 1 means 4 by 5 only. Speed is reduced. When he walks with a speed of 4 by 5 units, what is the time he will take to reach? What is the time he will take to reach? 5 by 4. Because when the distance is constant, speed and time are inversely proportional. 5 by 4 means 1 by 4. 5 by 4 means 1 by 4. Usually he takes 1 unit. Because he reduced his speed, he is taking 1/4 unit extra. That 1/4 unit is equal to how many minutes? 10 minutes. He is late by 1/4 unit and is late by 10 minutes. Means 1/4 unit indicates 10 minutes. Then his regular time, find his usual time means 1 unit will be equal to how much? 1 by 4 unit equal to 10 minutes means 1 unit will be equal to 1 by 4 means 4 by 1 into 10, that is 40 minutes. So regularly a certain distance at a certain speed, the man is taking 40 minutes to cover. Understand, this is the important problem because he has not mentioned the time, he has not mentioned the speed, he has not mentioned even the distance. But only one point we can say that distance is constant. Right? Next. Walking at 5 by 3 of his usual speed. Walking at man is 10 minutes early. His destination. Find his usual speed. Find his usual time. Find his usual time. See here, a fixed distance is traveled with a fixed speed and reaches in a fixed time. Walking at 5 by 3 of his usual speed. Speed is increased. Speed is increased means in what time he will reach? 3 by 5. 1 minus 3 by 5 means that man is saving 2 by 5 units. He is coming early by 2 by 5 units. This 2 by 5 units is equal to how many minutes? How many minutes? 10 minutes. Find his usual time means 1 unit will be equal to how much? 1 by 2 by 5 means 5 by 2 into 10, 2 5s. 5 5s are 25 minutes. So regularly he takes 25 minutes to cover that fixed distance. So distance is constant concept. This is the first model that you will have to remember. If at all he misses this model in the examination, then chances of asking the second model is there. Right? Write down the second model. A man while going to his office from his house travels with a speed of 40 kmph. And while returning home along the same route travels with a speed of 60 kmph. Find his average speed. Find his average speed for the entire journey. Find his average speed for the entire journey. See here, a man from his house to the office while going travels with a speed of 40 kmph. While returning home along the same route, I said, means indirectly I am saying that distance is constant. While coming back home, he travels with a speed of 60 kmph. What is the average speed for the entire journey? How much? 78. 28. 48. Actually, average speed means we have two formulae. Average speed means total distance traveled. Total distance traveled by total time taken. This is the formula. Average speed means total distance traveled by total time taken. The problem will be like this. A man traveled in the first 3 hours a distance of 90 kilometers. In the next 2 hours a distance of 60 kilometers, and in the last 3 hours a distance of 50 kilometers. Find his average speed. Suppose if the question is asked like this, then what we have to do is, total distance traveled is 90 plus 60 plus 50, 200 kilometers. Total time taken is 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8 hours. 200 by 8 means 25 kilometers per hour. So average speed is 25 kilometers per hour. But here in this problem, The required distance is not given, the required time is not given, except these two, the other data was given, speed was given. And the average speed you can calculate when speeds alone are given, but the condition must be distance should be constant. So when the distance is constant, speeds alone are given, average speed is equal to 2ab by a plus b. 2ab by a plus b means 2 into 40 into 60 by 40 plus 60 is 100. 0, 0, 0, 0. 48 kilometers per hour is the average speed. Don't calculate like while going 40, while coming 60, 100, while going 1 and while coming 1, 2, not the average speed. So, when the distance is constant, speeds alone are given, then the formula for average speed is 2ab by a plus b. This model is important. Regularly it can also be given. Suppose if the first model is missed and also the second model is missed, then third model, this is also distance is constant concept. Third model, write down. A boy while going to the school, a boy while going to the school from his house travels with a speed of 3 kmph. Travels with a speed of 3 kmph and is late by 10 minutes. And is late by 10 minutes. However, if he travels with a speed of if he travels with a speed of 4 kmph, he is early by 10 minutes. Find the distance between his house and the school. Find the distance between his house and the school. See, either in the first case or in the second case, the distance between the house and school will not change. So distance is constant. What is happening? A boy is traveling with 3 kilometers per hour. He is reaching the school 10 minutes late. However, if he wants to go in time to the school, he will travel with a speed of 4 kmph. In such cases, he is reaching the school 10 minutes early. This is the condition given. Then what is the distance between his house and school? Straight away point, how much? 240 kilometers every day will go and come to the school. T1 minus T2. First point you can write down T1 minus T2. What is T1 minus T2? First day timing and second day timing. What is the difference? 20 minutes. School is at 9 o'clock means going late by 10 minutes means 9:10. Going early by 10 minutes means 8:50. The difference is 20 minutes. 20 minutes I will put it in hours, 20 by 60 hours, because we usually mention the distances of schools and colleges in kilometers. 20 by 60 hours, that is 1 by 3. The formula for time is distance by speed. Distance by speed 1 minus distance by speed 2 is equal to 1 by 3. Distance by speed 1 minus distance by speed 2 is equal to 1 by 3. I have not mentioned d1 and d2 because distance is constant. D by 3 kilometers per hour minus d by 4 kilometers per hour is 1 by 3. LCM is 12. 4d minus 3d is equal to 1 by 3. 3 will go 4 times. So distance is equal to 4 kilometers. So the distance between his house and the school is 4 kilometers. So if the first, second, third models, usually one model will come regularly, one problem.